loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's video is my go-to makeup products at the moment right now. 2021 new year. I want to start off like what's my go-to products right now I've been loving. So your girl was drinking her bubble tea. Good stuff. Earlier when I first got it, I was drinking it so fast like I almost choke. Like the balls went so fast I almost choke. How I start my makeup, so like all the way to like my finishing touch. So first of all, I've been loving my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, my moisturizer that has SPF 30. I've been loving this stuff. This stuff is really good for prepping the face like makeup, because it's really good. It's like kind of sticky, so it's really good when you put foundation, because you know it'll work really good as a primer too. But I've been loving this moisturizer for when I do my makeup because it's bomb. So you can get this at your local mall if they have a Kiehl's in there, or you can go on their website. Next, my favorite all-time primer is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is my holy grail. I freaking love this stuff. I already hit pan, like really good. This is my go-to primer at the moment. Gravitating towards this a lot. So that's like my girl. Next is my brows. Go-to for my brows is this KY brow from Kylie Jenner. This is her line. This is her brow powders, and I'm in the shade dark brown. This is my go-to. This is how I do my brows now. I don't even use the pomade from Anastasia anymore, because that's just too harsh for me now, and I like more of like a kind of like a soft kind of look, but still dramatic, but not too like out there. So this powder gives me natural cover, so I'm in the shade deep dark brown. So that's what I use for my brows. And now what I use to cut my brows, for my bottom of my brows, so like right under my brow, I use the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is what I use. I love this stuff. I'm in the shade Natural Beige, so that's what I use for under my brows. And what I use for top of my brows, I use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick, and I use the shade Y335. I use this stuff all the time for concealing top of my brows, and this gives me a nice clean look, so I really love this. I enjoy using this when I cut my brows, because that gives me that oof girl. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Perfect. So what I use for foundation, my go-to foundation right now, I've been loving hands down, that matches me so well, is my LA Girl Pro Cover Foundation. This is a HD high definition long wearing illuminating foundation, and I'm in the shade Nude Beige. I love this stuff. This makes my face look so flawless. I had it in my drawer and I just used it one day, and it looks so good. So like I just keep using it. So I've been loving right now the LA Girl foundation. This stuff is really good. Oh my god, that's the best. So for concealer, I have also been using my Too Faced Born This Way. Oh my god, I love this stuff so much. I know it's very high, but my go-to right now is this one, because I ran out of my e.l.f. one. You already know that's my drugstore. That's my go-to drugstore concealer. But for my high-end right now, Born This Way is the way to go. This one kills it all the time. My makeup looks so good, and it highlights perfectly under my eyes. I freaking love it. So for powder, I've been loving the Laura Mercier. This is the OG. This is my go-to. This is everybody's favorite, and this is also my favorite too. And I can't live without it. This is honestly like one of the best powders. But if you haven't already, go get yourself some Laura Mercier, because this powder is so good, and it's bomb. I'm telling you, boo. I'm telling you. So right after that, what I use? Oh, bronze. This is my e.l.f. contour palette, and I believe, I don't even know, this is probably like a dark or medium shade, but this is what it looks like right now. I do this one for all around, and then, or sometimes I'll just use this color, but sometimes I mix it and they both come out beautiful. I don't really use the top shades, but I just use those two colors, and those, you already know the deal. It's that good. For blush, I've been loving my Profusion Blush 3. Not 1, not 2, but the 3rd palette. This is my all-time favorite, and it has 6 shades of blushes. It's a little dirty because I go around mixing all of them, but that's what it looks like. I use all of them, and they're so gorgeous. Oh, let me tell you, mixing them, or especially I like to use this one right here. I've been loving this one lately. This one, oh, this pretty color, it's so good. I love it. It's beautiful. Oh, y'all just need to go get this right now because it's so good. Oh my god, my earring came off again. I lost the backing, but we're gonna forget my earring didn't come off. Okay, booze. Okay. So for a highlight, I've been loving at the moment. I've been loving my Milani one. For some reason, it's been giving me that glow. I've been telling you about this glow. This highlighter is just life right here. This is beautiful, and it's in the shade Sun Glow and number 03. So this stuff is really good. Oh, it's so beautiful, especially spring, summer's coming up. Y'all need this in y'all's life. This is like OG right here for me because I love that stuff. And for setting my brows, I've been loving my Essence Lash and Brow Clear Gel Mascara. But I've been loving it lately. It sets my brows really good. It's only, I think, $2.99. Really cheap. Ulta. This is some good stuff. It stays on pretty well. And for mascara, when I don't wear lashes, my go-to step of making my real natural lashes like look good as heck, I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Base Primer Mascara. I've been loving this one lately. This is an OG for me. I always use this when I want to just not wear like lashes or anything. I just want to like free my eyes. I just want to feel confident in my natural lashes. So I've been loving this. So I use this, and then recently, this is honestly one of my favorites high-end mascara right now. I got this for Christmas, and I can say this is probably the best mascara that made my lashes look very long. And this is the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit mascara, and I always get my mascaras in black. I don't do blonde, I do brown. I do the blackest. I do like really dark because I like my lashes to look very like out there. You can get yourself a travel size from Ulta to try it out, to see how you like it, but full size is the way to go because this stuff is really good, girls. This is really good to boost. I really love stuff, like honestly. And I like to curl my lashes, put the primer, and then you put the mascara. I do two kind of coats sometimes, but it's bomb, I'm telling you. For like setting my face throughout the day, I've been loving my number 7 powder. This is supposed to be like a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury powder. And that's what it looks like. It's very mirrory look, and I'm in the shade light medium. And I talk about this in one of my Vlogmas. I don't know what video it is, but you can check one of my Vlogmas videos, and I mentioned about this and what the packaging looks like and stuff like that. So make sure right after this video, if you want to know more about this face powder, go check out that video. And for setting spray, I recently got this too. I love it so much. Morphe. I even tried the plain black one. That's amazing. But I just have this one. It's the Morphe one. But this one, for some reason, smells really good. It smells like a perfume. Why isn't it coming off? It has like a perfume smell, and I don't care. I love this smell, and it makes my makeup look good, and it lasts forever. And okay. Well, next is when I want to wear lashes. My favorite all-time favorite glue. All time, well, nothing beats this lash glue. It's the House of Lashes Lash Adhesive. This is my go-to mascara. This is my go-to lash glue. This one, and then right after will be Duo. But this one is amazing. You can get this at Ulta. I meant Sephora. I'm sorry. Well, I got it at Sephora. I don't know if they have it at Ulta. That's what it looks like. I love this lash glue because it makes my lashes stay on like freaking super glue. This is what I love, my go-to. It just hits the spot. When I want to wear lashes and want to be out all day, this is the lash glue you need to go. I freaking love that stuff. So lastly is lippies. I love lippies. So my 3 lip liners that are my go-to whenever I'm in the mood in what kind of look. These are my 3 go-to lip liners. These are my LA Girl ones. These are my favorite. You can get these at Ulta, your local grocery store. I don't think these are my Walmart, but you can for sure get them at Ulta. And the shades I have is Bear. So this is what Bear looks like. It's just like nudie brown. Gorgeous. Next is Sugar and Spice Boo Boo, because you want to feel sugar and spice. It's like a mauve pink with some brown in it. They all have like this kind of nudie look. And then next is Cafe. And this is like, I don't know, to me it looks like a chocolate. I could be wrong. Like a milk chocolate. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but looks like chocolate to me. But that's what they are. And then my go-to, sometimes I like to wear a lip liner all over my lips, or sometimes I like to like put a lip liner and then put a little lip gloss, lipstick. But my go-to right now is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. The shade Abu Dhabi. This is my go-to. I freaking love this color. I'm running out though. But this is the color I always go to, Abu Dhabi. But if I want a little gloss, I want to feel a little bougie, I want to go anywhere, I want to stay home and take some cute Instagram photos, get a gloss. And this is my all-time favorite NYX Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie. This stuff is so pretty. Let me show you. It just makes your lips look like it enhances your makeup look, like it changes the game boost. Like, I feel like sometimes you wear like looks like you're wearing like a new lip. But this with the brown lip liner, girl, you look gorgeous as heck. So these are my go-to makeup products right now. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you're gonna love these products, let me know down in the comments. You purchase any of these items. So that is it from my go-to makeup products right now at the moment for 2021. Don't forget to subscribe because your girl's trying to hit some goals here. Your girl's goal is to keep growing and thriving. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all boos next time. Bye!